Start with drawing a line. Draw a square. Add triangles for the spaceship wings. Add a small rectangle at the bottom. Add a triangle to the top of your ship. At the bottom of the ship, draw zigzag lines to start the rocket fire. Add extra details to the fire if you'd like to. Draw a door in any shape to your spaceship. Add color to your ship if you'd like to. This small spaceship can also become a small house.